everyone. I hope you all are fine and well at your home. So children, what we learn today? We learn social study and this is chapter 2, lecture 2nd. And what is the name of this chapter? The Northern Mountain. First of children, take out your social book. This is my big book of social studies. Now take out page number 15. Take out page number 15. The Northern Mountains. What is the name of our chapter? The Northern Mountains. And what we have learned in previous video? Now, in previous, what we learned? First is in Northern Mountains, which ranges include the Himalaya. First is the Himalaya range. The Himalaya, and the second is the Karakoram range, and the third one is the Purvachal hill ranges. Now what is this? In Northern Mountains, what are there? In Northern Mountains, what are there? First is the Himalaya range, second is the Karakoram range, and the third is the Purvanchal range, Purvanchal hill ranges. Now, what we have learned? The Himalaya range. इस Himalaya range में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? The Himalaya range is stretched from, this is the map, so it is stretched from Jammu Kashmir to, ये जम्मू कश्मीर से कहाँ तक है? अरुणाचल प्रदेश, अरुणाचल प्रदेश. It is stretched from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. There are 3 ranges of this Himalaya range. How many ranges? The Himalaya consists 3 parallel ranges. The first is Himadri, the second is Himachal, and the third is the Shivalik. How many ranges consist in this first Himalaya range? 3 ranges: Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. And the Himalaya range is stretches from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, there are 3 ranges in this Himalaya range that we have learned in this previous video. Now, what we learn in this? We learn the Karakoram range. What we learn? We learn the Karakoram range. Now, see children, page number 16. See this map 2.1. Here, the Karakoram range. Where this is the map. This is the north part of map, and where it lies that part. This is the Karakoram range. This is the Karakoram. This is the Karakoram range. Where it lies? It lies the northwest of the Himalaya. Where it lies? It lies the northwest of Himalaya beyond river Indus. This is the river Indus. Okay. So where it lies? It lies to the northwest of the Himalaya beyond river Indus. Lies the Karakoram range. This is the Karakoram range. Now children, here is the Mount Godwin Austen. Means the short form of Mount Godwin Austen means K2. Which is K2 is lies in this range. Which range? The Karakoram range. This is the highest peak of India. Which? Mount Godwin Austen. Next in the Karakoram range. It is the highest peak in India and it is the second highest peak in the world. Okay children, the first highest peak in the world में सबसे highest peak कौन सा है? That is the Mount Everest. It lies in the Nepal-China border. Where it lies? Mount Everest. But we talk about India. जब हम इंडिया की बात करेंगे कि इंडिया में सबसे हाईएस्ट पीक कौन सा है, so the answer is the Mount Godwin Austen. What is Mount Godwin Austen? Is the means the K2. K2 is the highest peak in India and highest peak in world, that is Mount Everest. And Mount Godwin Austen is the second highest peak in the world. अगर वर्ल्ड में हम बात करेंगे तो K2 second highest है, first highest this is the Mount Everest. वर्ल्ड में world highest peak Mount Everest and world highest second highest peak that is the Mount Godwin Austen. Okay, and if we talk about India only, which is the highest peak in India, that is Mount Godwin Austen. Means K2 is the highest peak in India. Okay, and it is the second highest peak in the world. And where is the Karakoram range? It lies the northwest part of the Himalaya. Where it is? To the northwest part of the Himalaya, it lies the Karakoram range beyond the river Indus. And this is the Karakoram range. And this highest peak, Mount Godwin Austen, that lies in this Karakoram range. Clear? Now, life in this region. What? Life in this region. Our next topic. Life in this life in the region. Now, see children, Jammu Kashmir that lies Karakoram range and Himalaya range also. Jammu Kashmir, that state Jammu Kashmir is lies in Karakoram range and also in Himalaya range. Means ये दोनों रेंज में आता है. काराकोरम रेंज में भी जम्मू कश्मीर आता है और हिमालय रेंज में भी कौन सा स्टेट आता है? जम्मू कश्मीर. So Jammu Kashmir lies in the Himalaya range and the Karakoram range also. And some state that lies in this range is the Himachal. Yes, is the Himachal, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling, West Bengal and some parts of Arunachal Pradesh are in the Himalayas. कौन कौन से स्टेट्स आते हैं? हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, सिक्किम, दार्जिलिंग and West Bengal and some part of the Arunachal Pradesh that lie in this. Now, here occupation. Which state lies in this range? So, first is the Himachal Pradesh. This is the second. First is Jammu Kashmir that lies in Karakoram range. Second, Himachal Pradesh. Third, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling, Sikkim and Darjeeling. That lies in this state lies in this Karakoram range. Now first, occupation. What is occupation of that people that living in this range? क्या occupation थी in काराकोरम रेंज में पीपल की। नाउ क्या ऑक्यूपेशन है? फर्स्ट द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन इज द फार्मिंग। फार्मिंग इज द मेन occupation of the people that are living in that range। जो स्टेट जो इस रेंज में आते हैं, that is the जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, सिक्किम and दार्जिलिंग। And what is the, we talk about the occupation of that people that living in this states are the farming। Farming is the main occupation of the people living here। Now due to the lack of plain land means see, this is the plain land, okay? So due to the lack of plain land, farmers have cut steppes and terrace, means these are mountain area, so there is lack of plain land, so farmer cut the steps। This is a terrace like, see children, this is due to the lack of plain land, farmers have cut steps or terrace along the slopes। Slope area is the ढलान, this is the sloping area, so farmers cut the steps or the slope। On these steps they grow rice, maize, barley and potatoes। See, this is the terrace farming। Terrace farming is popular in the hill area। See children, this is the main occupation of people living in that state। So their occupation is the farming, because the lack of plain land, due to the lack of plain land, farmers have cut steps or terrace along the slope। ऐसे ये क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर? फार्मिंग, that is the terrace farming। And some people, first occupation is the farming, and some people engaged in sheep rearing। In sheep rearing means sheep का क्या करते हैं? Sheep को पालते हैं, they domesticate the sheep for wool and for milk। And second thing is, third one is the, what is the occupation of people that living here? Wood carving। The third one is the wood carving। Wood carving means the woodwork। Woodwork means here this is the pot, is made up of wood, so here they cut this and making design, so that is called the wood carving, woodwork, okay? So what is the main occupation of people? First is the farming, and which type of farming? Terrace farming। And second one is the sheep rearing, they rear sheep for wool and for milk। And the third one is the wood carving। Wood carving means the woodwork, okay? Now children, the next one is the Jammu Kashmir। Our next topic is Jammu Kashmir। Jammu Kashmir that lies which range? Karakoram range and the Himalaya range। Jammu Kashmir lies between the Karakoram range and Himalaya range, okay? So what do you know about the Jammu Kashmir? Okay, now children, Jammu Kashmir is famous for apple orchard। Is famous for apple orchards, means apples के जो बागान है वो कहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा है? जम्मू कश्मीर। जम्मू कश्मीर is famous for apple orchards। Now the second one is and for saffron cultivation। Saffron cultivation means what? Saffron cultivation means, saffron means केसर। केसर की जो खेती है सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ कल्टीवेट होती है? That is जम्मू कश्मीर। कहाँ पर होती है? Kashmir. Now, first is it is famous for apple orchards, and the second one is and is also famous for the saffron cultivation. Now, third is men and women wear a long woolen kurta. जो मैन है और वुमेन है एक लॉन्ग वुलन कुर्ता, ऊनी कुर्ता पहनते हैं. That is called the firan. That is called the firan. And salwar. This is the long kurta. This is the long firan is long woolen. This is the long woolen kurta that wear by men and women in Jammu Kashmir. That is firan and salwar. Okay. And the fourth one is during winter they use kangri. Kangri means they use kangri. Kangri जिसको बोलते हैं. ये क्या होता है? Kangri, a small earthen pot. See, this is a small earthen pot. This is like kangri, and in this the small earthen pot with burning coal. इसमें क्या रहते हैं? Burning coal used to keep oneself warm. खुद को गर्म रखने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? That is kangri. People use kangri. So that is in page number 21. Here is kangri, a small earthen pot with burning coal used as a means to keep oneself warm. So that is kangri. Now the third one is what we said. The people of this drink, what they drink? People drink kawa. Kawa. This is the kawa. What is this? A special type of tea. ये एक special type of tea है, काढ़ा type, kawa. Now some places of tourist attraction are which places? Srinagar, Gulmarg, Amarnath and Ladakh. Srinagar, Amarnath, Ladakh and Gulmarg. Now Jammu Kashmir, first is it is famous for apple orchard. Second, it is also famous for saffron cultivation. Saffron means kesar. Now third is men and women wear a long woolen kurta that is called the firan and salwar. And fourth one is they during winter season में during winter they use kangri, that is the small earthen pot. इसमें क्या रहते हैं? Burning coal to keep ourselves warm, and they drink a special type of tea that is called kawa. And some tourist place in Jammu Kashmir, that is Srinagar, Gulmarg, Amarnath and Ladakh. Clear? Now our next topic is the Himachal Pradesh. Which state? Himachal Pradesh. That is also in the Karakoram range. Second is the Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is also famous for its apple orchard. It is also famous for apple orchard. Okay, and Jammu Kashmir also famous for apple orchards. Now second one, men wear embroidered caps called kulu caps. Men wear embroidered caps called, this is a kulu cap. See this here in page number 18. This is a picture of kulu cap. Men wear embroidered caps called called this. This cap is called the Kulu cap. And women wear scarf. Women wear scarf that is called Tazu. That is called Tazu. The most popular festival is the Kulu Dashera. What is Kulu Dashera? Most popular festival is the Kulu Dashera. And many tourist visit places, that is the Shimla, Dalhousie and Manali. Shimla, Dalhousie and Manali. So now children, what do you know about the Himachal Pradesh? Himachal Pradesh, it is famous for apple orchard. Now second thing is men wear embroidered caps called Kulu caps. Called Kulu caps. And the third one is the women. Women wear scarves. Scarves क्या मानते हैं? अपन यहाँ मानते ना? So women wear scarves called the Dazu. And the main festival, the most popular festival in Himachal Pradesh, that is called the Kulu Dashera. And some tourist places like Shimla, Dalhousie and Manali. These are the tourist places in Himachal Pradesh. So our next topic is Uttarakhand. It also lies in Karakoram range. Next topic, that is the Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand. Now children, Uttarakhand, it is famous for basmati rice, and it is famous for basmati rice, lychees and plums. Lychees is type of fruit. Okay, basmati rice, lychees and plums. Some people weave woolen shawls, scarves and rugs. कुछ जो लोग हैं क्या वीव मतलब बुनाई करते हैं, इसकी क्या क्या चीजें बुनते हैं? वूलन शॉल्स एंड स्कार्फ्स एंड रग्स. And tourist place of attraction of that state is the Nainital, Mussoorie and Haridwar. Attract a large number of people, a large number of tourists. So what is the specialty of that state? Yes, it is famous for basmati rice, lychees and plums. And the second one is some people what they weave? They weave the woolen shawls, scarves and rugs. And the main place of tourist attraction is Nainital, Mussoorie and Haridwar. Clear children? Now next topic is Sikkim. This is also in the Karakoram range. Our next step is what? Good. Fourth one is the Sikkim. What is the specialty in Sikkim? Yes, Sikkim is famous for oranges, santre. Sikkim is famous for oranges and cardamom. And the third one is the orchid. This is a type of flower. This is orchid. What is the pronunciation of this? This is orchid. First is Sikkim is famous for oranges, cardamom and orchid. This is the type of flower. The second thing is some men and women wear a loose gown. What is? Some man and woman wear loose gown, that is called baku. That is called, see children, in this picture, page number 18, a Sikkimese girl dressed in baku. That is the long that is the loose gown that wear by men and women of Sikkim. That is called the Baku. These Baku, they also wear a colorful jewelry made from beads. The main tourist places are Gangtok and Piling. So what is the speciality? Sikkim, first is it is famous for oranges, cardamom, orchids. Second, the men and women wear a long, what is this? Loose gown fastened at the waist, that tie at the waist, that is called the Baku. And they also wear the colorful jewelry that is made up of the beads. So this is, and the main tourist attraction place of this state is Gangtok and Piling. So children, you got it? Okay, we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.